Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best laundry baskets on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Docum Laundry Basket. This laundry basket is an ideal laundry solution for both homes and dorm rooms. It features an aluminum handle with a comfortable soft grip, allowing for easy carrying. The laundry hamper is made from double layers 600D Oxford fabric and has a 20-gallon capacity, making it the perfect size for sliding into a closet or cabinet. This laundry basket comes in 7 different colors and is collapsible for convenient storage when not in use. The handles also have a unique design that allows you to fold them flat for maximum storage efficiency when you've limited space. What we like about it: thicker and softer handles for comfort. Can stand up even when empty. Folds down when not in use. What we don't like about it: not machine washable. Number 2. Home Hacks Laundry Baskets. If you're looking for an attractive and practical solution for sorting and storing laundry, towels, bedding, or toys in any room, the Home Hacks laundry baskets are ideal. These baskets feature a freestanding structure with a sturdy metal frame embedded in the top edges, allowing them to stand up even when empty. The tall hampers also feature 2 long handles reinforced with durable tight stitching to prevent tearing. The handles are long enough to carry easily with 1 or 2 hands. Each laundry basket is made of premium cotton and flax material and has a PAVA waterproof coating inside to keep your clothes dry and clean. What we like about it: sturdy and waterproof construction. Folds away neatly for easy storage. Easy to wipe down and keep clean. What we don't like about it: doesn't come with a lid. Number 3. Rubbermaid Laundry Basket. The Rubbermaid laundry basket is a great addition to any home or dorm that needs an efficient storage and organization solution. With its lightweight, easy-to-lift plastic construction, you can easily move and reposition this laundry hamper. The curved design allows you to rest this basket on your body for comfortable one-handed carrying, making it an excellent option for those who have a long walk to the laundry room. What we like about it: can carry heavy loads of laundry. Cutout design for easy carrying. Available in multiple sizes. What we don't like about it: not ideal for larger families. Number 4. Udenova Laundry Basket. The Udenova Laundry Basket is an attractive, efficient, and practical addition to any home. Its stylish and minimalist design is perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, dorm rooms, and beyond. This product is made from sustainably sourced 100% cotton and has a 15-gallon capacity, which is great for large loads of laundry. Plus, the double-stitch carry handles can support up to 25 pounds, making it a reliable and sturdy option. When it comes to breathability and keeping your clothes dry, the open-top design combined with stitched rope sides ensures air can circulate freely around your laundry. What we like about it: the classy design elevates room decor. Washable material for easy upkeep. Weighs only 3 pounds. What we don't like about it: doesn't hold shape when empty. Number 5. Iris USA Laundry Baskets. Whether you need something to organize your dorm room or a spacious hamper for your home, look no further than the Iris USA Laundry Baskets. This convenient hamper features a large capacity of 12 gallons with plenty of storage to minimize the trips you need to make while doing laundry. Additionally, the ample storage space allows users to organize and separate different clothing items. This laundry basket boasts a sturdy construction with a reinforced rim to make it comfortable when carrying heavy loads. It also has handles on the sides, allowing for easy one-handed carrying. The laundry hamper also features a stylish hole pattern that improves airflow and ventilation, which helps decrease odor buildup. What we like about it: handles on each side for easy lifting. Sturdy construction for longevity. Curved side for easy carrying. What we don't like about it: the handles feel a bit flimsy. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.